So here I have a clip of me trying to act cool. I don't have to act cool, I am cool. I'm joking. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go speed ramp. And what I'm going to do is a point there and a point here. Click my cursor. And I'm just going to turn it to about 46 maybe. 46, yeah, about that. Put it together just to slow it down a bit so the effect lasts for longer. So I think it looks quite cool. But that's just me, you don't have to do this. And this effect is really good if you do bigger movements. I'm just going to quickly drag this up like so. Drag this down just so I can see more. I'm just going to bring it, oh fuck, ignore that, don't do that. Just going to bring it up, keep bringing them up. Just so I can get about V6 to V6. We're just going to delete the rest underneath here and just keep this one. We're going to nest it, so right click and click nest. Yep, don't have to name it. Click effects and we're going to write Luma key. I'm going to put this on here right now, easy. You're probably thinking why Luma key, but I'll show you. I'm just going to cut it to where I want it to slow. You don't have to do the slow down bit at the start, I just prefer to do that. Because I think it looks much better. That's just my personal preference. Okay, on the effects under Luma key, we're just going to change the threshold, I don't know, threshold to 15 and the cutoff to 75, yeah, just 75. And then you're going to go 2 points backwards and drag it back. Alright, you know, push, hold Alt, click on your nested, hold Alt and go down, and you will copy and paste it. And keep doing that, oh fuck. You're going to bring it back twice, keep bringing them back by 2 points, and keep doing this until you get to the V2. It should be the layer above your main one. And I'm just going to cut the ends, like so, because I accidentally screwed up and didn't do that in my previous video, and I screwed up. And that's pretty much it. So if we watch it over, it's just a little one, slight, and then it should go back to normal. This is my quick, easy music video effect. I've got loads more of these. If you want me to like release like 5 music video effects, let me know with the tutorial. Or if you want me to do some stuff on After Effects, let me know. But anyway guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. It's like we're